Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2012 Chevy Equinox, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to get out your taillights in order if you have to replace your taillight bulbs. So let's start. So I'm going to work on the other side, I'm going to work on this side. So let's start. Open this, open the trunk, and what you have to get either a Phillips screwdriver, or you might use a 10mm ratchet. So what are we doing? First of all, we have to get this cap off. Okay, so like this, remove both caps. Okay, and here we have screws 1 and 2. After that, we take a screwdriver of Phillips, and we'll have to remove both screws that are in. If you don't have screws, you can use 10mm socket. Okay, so just put the socket with the ratchet, chick, and you're done. So get them out. Okay, so I have screws out, and now we have to just pull this here a little bit so you can get your fingers in. And what you're doing, you're trying to pull out the light from the frame, so you're just pulling it towards yourself. Of course you're gonna use 2 hands to do this. So what I'm doing, I'm putting one here, okay, and with the other hand I'm slightly just tapping here. Okay, so I'm making a vibration which helps to get the light out. Okay, so I'm gonna put you guys somewhere here. So as you can see, it was very simple, but in my case I got the whole thing out. Okay, so this plastic thing, it should be inside here like that one. Okay, but anyway, it's gonna work fine. So now when you have the bulbs out, I mean you have the light out, you can get your bulbs out like this. Okay, if you have to remove the bulb, just take it with your fingers and peel it off. Take it out. When you replaced one, same way, put it back. So spin it, get it out. It just comes off with the fingers. Just pull it off. When you have replaced one, put it back in, find the correct position, and secure it. After you're done, just put. You have to align this thing here. As you can see, this should go in, and this thing also should go in. Alright, once you have everything set here, the light should go in easily. Something's not right. Just give it a little tap, you're all set. Make sure the holes are aligned. If they're not aligned, something's not right, and in my case, something's not right. So again, I have to remove the bulb, the light. Okay, now we are good. I have holes aligned, no, but not till the end. Why? Okay, this is good, and this is okay. We're gonna still do it. Yeah, once you're done, just put these screws back in. Just this one hand, and just put the screws back in. Yeah, you can get screws in any parts store, dealer, or gas stations. Well, everybody has them in case if you have to get the bulbs. That's it. So guys, if this helps, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.